Hi guys, and welcome back to Pure Learning. So today I'm going to show you how to use the Freedom to Succeed Life and Business Planner. So in case you didn't know, this planner is now available. It's been available. That will help you whether you're in business, whether you're in the charitable sector, whether you're in ministry. This was a perfect journal for you to use. So if you're interested, you can look in the description box below where we've got the link for you guys. But I'm going to show you just a little bit about what's inside the journal and how to actually use it. So I'm about halfway through my one personally now. So every month you have a space to record your monthly to-do list. So you have a inspirational scripture to do with business, to do with planning and life and stuff like that, but you have a space for your monthly to-do list, and so you can record your monthly tasks and then obviously put your whether you've completed it or not. This journal you can start using it in any month, in any year, so you can put the month that you're actually starting and the year that you're starting. How it's been laid out means that you can use it at any time, any point in time you can actually start using it. There's 2 pages for monthly to-do list, so you can record those here. What you also have is a monthly schedule. So this is broken down into morning, afternoon and evening. You can use it as you desire. So you can put the time if you want. If you have specific timers that you always do things, you can use it like that. But again, every month has up to 31 days. Obviously, if it's like February, you only have to go up to 28 or 29 if it's a leap year. But you can also choose to put like the day. So I like to put, if it's a Monday, I put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and abbreviations all the way down the side just to let me know what day of the week it is as well. So you can use it like that and break your day up for the month, so you can see your month as a 1-page overview. What you've also got is monthly goals. So every month you've got space to record lifestyle goals, so sleep, nutrition, punctuality and things like this, so things to do with lifestyle. You've got family and social goals that you can put here, space for that, physical fitness and health goals, mental, emotional, spiritual goals and work and education. So every month you can write your goals here, set them, put a date that you set them, and then at the end of the month you can review your goals. So let's say you wanted to sell a certain amount of product, that was one of your goals, and then you've achieved that. You can write it here, you can put what went well, what didn't go well. So essentially this is what you have every month. It's the same structure. And then you've also got weekly planner. So every month has a 5-week space like this. And of course, as I said, depending on the month that you start, the month that you're using or the year, you can put the week starting date and then you can use it as you see fit. So you've got Monday to Friday and a space for notes as well. So hopefully this will really help you guys in organising your time. There's 12 months in this journal. There's 12 months in it and it's hardback, which is perfect. So then obviously it doesn't get bent easily, and it has note pages at the back as well, both lined and blank note pages that you can use. So hopefully this will help you guys in planning your life, planning your business, your organisation, and help you in your venture. So let me know in the comment section below if you have got this journal already. If it's been helpful for you, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking to get one, let me know in the comment section below. So I hope this video has been helpful for you, to help you know how you can actually use your planner. And if it has, let us know by hitting that thumbs up button. And if you're not subscribed already, subscribe now by hitting the red subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time on Pure Learning.